Hello guys, and what's up guys, welcome to another travel video. This time I'm in Haripur, Pakistan. It is in the Hazara region, one of the very beautiful cities in Pakistan. And whenever you go to Abbottabad, northern areas, or Naran and Kagan, you have to pass through Haripur most of the times if you are coming from KPK. So this is a very nice city, and today I'm here, so I will be making a travel vlog. It will be showing you all the places here. I will show you Turbela Dam, Turbela Jeel, and Bhutni Jeel, and many different places including the city and what it can offer. Right now I am in Park Wonderland Park, which is a theme park basically for entertainment, for families and for kids. You can see it is very beautiful here. I mean, it is a park and it has so many attractions. Just look at that in the background. And so let's explore Haripur city in Hazara region of Pakistan. जी शाजिब भाई, बताइए झील के बारे में।
झील वली भाई, ये झील तरबेला झील है। तरबेला डैम से जब पानी निकालते हैं
तो इधर आता है,
सारा पानी इधर आ जाता है। ये जो जगह है तकरीबन इसमें 84 गांव थे।
अच्छा,
जो गैर आबाद हुए इस झील की वजह से।
अच्छा।
तो ये झील है, इसमें 6 महीने पानी रहता है और फिर उतर जाता है, इसका पानी खत्म हो जाता है।
अच्छा, ये जो अभी हमने बूट करवाई है टूर करने के लिए, ये कितने की पड़ी है हमें?
ये हमें 300 की पड़ी है और चक्कर मतलब 400 वाली जगह लेके जाएंगे।
अच्छा, ज़बरदस्त। तो ये तो बड़ा ही ज़बरदस्त हो गया यार कि 300 रुपये में इतना हमें चक्कर, 400 का चक्कर लेकर जा रहे हैं। और ये साथ में आप और देख सकते हैं, देखें
नीचे इस साइड
और बूट्स देख सकते हैं। व्यू बड़ा ही स्टाइलिश आ रहा है, बड़ा ही ज़बरदस्त व्यू आ रहा है कश्तियों का। और 300 और प्राइसिंग भी नॉर्मल ही है, सिंपल अफोर्डेबल। जस्ट 300 रुपीज़ मीन $3 US dollars. The guy is going to give us a ferry ride or a boat ride, you can say. Something really incredible. Small food tour here in Turbela Jeel in Haripur. It's a really great experience basically. I didn't thought it would be like that, but really crazy experience and enjoying. And it is very cheap as well, again I'm saying. So guys, had a very short and nice trip. I mean, through the small boat here at Turbela Lake. It was enjoyable, but the one thing, there was no life jacket. It was very scary. Anyways, our host, all credit goes to our host, Mr. Shazib, and looking forward to show you other places in Haripur. It is a beautiful dam here in Haripur district called Bhutni Dam or Bhutni Dam, and it is very beautiful. The water is enough here to explore and to enjoy the beauty here. So it's exploring this as well, and this is surrounded by green mountains, trees, and the weather has now gotten very enjoyable. See here. outside the park, the statue of horses, two horses, very interesting. When you enter the park, you can see right it here outside the park, and that is the entrance of the park right there. That's it. We will be going there inside the park. रात को तो मैंने देखा है बहुत रश होता है. Hey, what's up? What's up? What's your name? How are you?
I am fine.
You're fine.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
It is doing welcome.
Hot. Okay, thank you very much.
Welcome, sir.
Okay, thank you. So guys, just came here to see this very nice small bridge over the water, and this bridge is made of wood. That is the beauty of it, and it is in Haripur district. It is around 30 kilometers away from the Haripur city. We came here just to see this nice small wooden bridge, which is from the British era, when British were here in this area. This is very old and historical bridge here, right here, just you can see the background. Walking through the bridge is very interesting, but scary as well. And the reason is because it is very old, and very old, and things are looking nice but still very dangerous as well. Yeah, so I mean, you can see here, I think the animals also pass through this bridge and go to the other side. I think it joins two villages in two areas here. See your friend here standing and enjoying. So that's it, the other side of this very nice small bridge in Haripur, Pakistan. Looking really nice, but is just walked through the bridge. This bridge I am talking about, the one which is made of woods, and it is very, very dangerous and scary, you know. I have to look at my foot and the way, and I think anything can happen here. It's very dangerous, my friend, but still I am taking the risk just to show you what it is and how it is. That's it.